Imagine creating stunning visuals in minutes without any design skills. Sounds impossible, right? But what if I told you there's a tool that makes it a reality? Meet Pixelied, the cloud-based design suite that transforms your creative ideas into scroll-stopping graphics with just a few clicks. With Pixelied, you can generate AI-powered images by simply entering a text prompt and choosing from 4 unique variations. Customize your AI-generated images effortlessly, add text, stock photos, icons, or even remove backgrounds to make your design truly yours. Enhance your photos with professional filters and effects like sepia, vintage, brightness, blur, and contrast, all thanks to Pixelied's powerful AI tools. Create realistic product mock-ups using over 2,000 editable assets, perfect for showcasing your brand on t-shirts, phones, laptops, and more. Pixelied's machine learning lets you remove backgrounds from any image with a single click, making it easy to create pixel-perfect visuals. No more endless Pinterest searches for inspiration. Pixelied's user-friendly design tools help you bring your ideas to life without any technical wizardry. Upgrade your brand's graphics with lifetime access to Pixelied, including all future Pro Plus plan updates and a 60-day money-back guarantee. Unleash your creativity and make your brand stand out with Pixelied. Get started today and turn your ideas into reality. Pixelied, where creativity meets simplicity.